Use a small piece of filament as a retaining pin. You can use one long rubber band connected between the magazine catch and the hammer. If your rubber bands are shorter, use two instead. A dedicated hole inside the grip is designed for this setup. I use a small wire hook to make it easier to pull the rubber band through the internal channel inside the grip. Standard 14mm spring with 0.6mm wire thickness and a length of around 8-10 centimeters, that works perfectly. If not, you can simply use a regular notebook spiral. Just cut a 10-centimeter section from it. It works surprisingly well. In this example, I'm using exactly that. To keep the safety lever in place, use a small 3-4mm piece of filament. After inserting the safety into the frame, place the filament piece into the designated hole and trim the excess so it sits flush inside its slot.